Hi, I'm NASCAR driver Ryan Newman. We've partnered this weekend at Eldora Speedway with MotoShield Pro. They are the leader in nanotechnology solutions. They do an amazing job of keeping the mud, the dirt, and the dust off of my truck. It's on the cameras, it's on my visor, it's on the front, on the side, on the wheels. Proud to have them as a partner and look forward to having the race and a good weekend with them.
So you're using our MotoShield Pro liner. What you think?
I can still see through the screen now with it closed.
And no fogging?
Not at all.